Voss Haas Motorcycle. Hot Wheels Main Street. That's the way the Texans say it. Motorcycle. White. And it says Longmont Police. White with gold flames. CB yelling gold all over. Don't stop it, 'cause it looks awesome. Black base. Black and base. With a Chevy emblem on the back. 50 style. This definitely screams 50 on a motorcycle base. With a humongous Viper 12-cylinder. Don't stop me now. Booster motor. Boom boom. Voom voom. Anything between. Don't worry, it's 1 minute. It's gonna be 1 minute and 10 seconds, and I'm gonna stop it. Trust me.